In today's video, I'll show you how to use Spotify Smart Shuffle. First, open Spotify. Once you're on the home page, open one of your playlists or your liked songs. Next, start playing a song and open the Now Playing screen. Tap or click the shuffle icon. The first tap turns on regular shuffle mode, which is shown by the crossed arrows icon. Tap the shuffle icon a second time to enable Smart Shuffle. The icon will turn green and display 3 small sparkles. With Smart Shuffle enabled, Spotify will automatically add personalized song recommendations between the tracks in your playlist. Keep in mind that Smart Shuffle is a Spotify premium feature and only works with your own playlists and liked songs. It cannot be used on Spotify curated playlists such as Discover Weekly or Daily Mixes. And that's it. That's how you use Spotify Smart Shuffle.